Hi, I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this is a 1-minute library life hack. Let's look at how to find peer-reviewed scholarly journal articles on a topic. Begin by going to the library's main page. Next, click on the tab that says Articles and Databases. Then click on View All Databases. Scroll down a little bit, and then click on the database Academic Search Premier. In the first box, let's say we're trying to find things on Christian ethics. And in the second box, let's type climate change. And then click on search. Scroll down just a little bit, and over here on the left-hand side of your screen, click the box next to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Then look at your results and click on PDF full text and download it onto your computer. I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this has been a 1-minute library life hack.